In an increasingly interconnected world, the allure of off-grid living shines brightly. It represents a desire for self-sufficiency, sustainability, and a closer connection with nature. For many, it's a return to simpler times, free from the constraints of utility bills and grid dependence. Off-grid living is about embracing a lifestyle of energy independence and environmental responsibility. Imagine a life where your power comes not from distant power plants, but from the sun's rays or the wind's gentle push. This is the essence of off-grid living, a movement gaining momentum as more individuals seek to minimize their ecological footprint. It's about harnessing the power of nature to meet your energy needs, creating a harmonious balance between modern comforts and environmental stewardship. The benefits extend beyond reduced energy costs and environmental responsibility. Off-grid living fosters a sense of empowerment and self-reliance. You become intimately connected to your energy production and consumption, making conscious decisions that impact your daily life. This connection to the natural world can be deeply rewarding, fostering a sense of place and purpose. Off-grid electrical systems in their essence capture energy from renewable sources like the sun or wind and convert it into usable electricity for your home. Unlike grid-tied systems that rely on the electrical grid as a backup, off-grid systems are entirely self-sufficient. They are like miniature power plants tailored to your specific needs, providing electricity regardless of your location or connection to the grid. At the heart of every off-grid system lies a delicate dance between energy generation, storage, and consumption. Energy from renewable sources like solar panels or wind turbines is first converted into electricity. This electricity is then stored in batteries, acting as reservoirs of power for when the sun isn't shining or the wind isn't blowing. Finally, an inverter transforms the stored energy into the standard AC electricity that powers your appliances and devices. The beauty of off-grid systems lies in their modularity and scalability. You can start small, with a basic system to power essential appliances, and expand gradually as your needs grow. This flexibility allows you to tailor the system to your unique requirements and budget, making off-grid living an attainable goal for many. However, designing and implementing an off-grid system requires careful planning and consideration. You need to accurately assess your energy needs, choose the right components, and ensure proper installation and maintenance. This guide will equip you with the knowledge and tools to embark on your off-grid journey with confidence. The success of an off-grid electrical system hinges on the seamless integration of four key components: energy generation, battery storage, an inverter, and a charge controller. Each component plays a vital role in ensuring a consistent and reliable power supply, working in harmony to create a self-sufficient energy ecosystem. Energy generation, like solar panels and wind turbines, is the heart of your off-grid system, responsible for capturing energy from renewable sources and converting it into electricity. Solar panels, through the photovoltaic effect, transform sunlight directly into electricity, while wind turbines harness the kinetic energy of wind to generate power. The choice between solar and wind, or a combination of both, depends on your geographical location, climate, and energy needs. Battery storage, such as deep-cycle batteries, serve as the energy reservoirs of your off-grid system, storing excess electricity generated during periods of high production. Deep-cycle batteries, designed for deep and repeated discharges, are essential for off-grid applications, providing a reliable power source when your renewable energy sources are unavailable. They store the electricity generated by your solar panels or wind turbines, ensuring a continuous power supply even when it's cloudy or the wind is calm. The inverter, responsible for DC to AC conversion, acts as a translator, converting the DC electricity stored in your batteries into usable AC electricity for your home. It's the bridge between your renewable energy sources and your everyday appliances. The charge controller, regulating battery charging, acts as a gatekeeper between your energy generation source and your batteries, ensuring that the batteries are charged efficiently and safely. It prevents overcharging, which can damage batteries, and prolongs their lifespan by regulating the charging voltage and current. This intelligent component ensures the longevity and optimal performance of your battery bank. Designing an effective off-grid system is akin to crafting a tailored suit. It requires careful measurements, attention to detail, and a deep understanding of your specific needs. This step-by-step guide will empower you to design an off-grid system that perfectly aligns with your energy requirements and lifestyle. First, assess your energy needs. The first step is to take stock of your energy consumption habits. Identify all the appliances and devices you plan to power, their wattage ratings, and how long you use them each day. This energy audit will provide a clear picture of your daily and weekly energy requirements, forming the foundation of your system design. Next, choose your primary energy source or sources. Based on your geographical location, climate, and energy needs, you'll need to decide whether solar panels, wind turbines, or a combination of both is the most suitable primary energy source. Solar panels are an excellent option for sunny locations, while wind turbines thrive in areas with consistent wind resources. Once you know your energy needs and have selected your primary energy source, you can calculate the necessary battery capacity. This involves factoring in your daily energy consumption, days of autonomy, how many days you want to be energy independent without sunlight or wind, and the depth of discharge of your chosen batteries. With your energy needs, primary energy source, and battery capacity determined, you can now size your system components, including the number of solar panels or wind turbines, the size of your inverter, and the appropriate charge controller. Online calculators and professional installers can assist with these calculations, ensuring your system is neither undersized nor oversized.